Okay, let's go to the light blue because the next one, the dusty blue, I am really, when I saw that name of the color, I'm like, what is a dusty blue? But this is the pastel light blue. Okay, it's a very light blue. I would say, I mean, it's definitely a little bit different than the baby blue or the light blue from Qualtex. I would say it's more of a decorator type blue, light blue, which I do like. I definitely think this would be it's not going to be a color I use every day just because I don't have a lot of use for light blue and a lot of the things I design. But I can definitely see this being something that I could go to more and more. I think it could really, butterflies. Well, this is some accent colors next to. I'm imagine the purple would be beautiful. But we'll play around with how some of these colors work together in just a few minutes here.